Hello, welcome back to Defense Info, a one-step solution for all your defense need. So, friends, if you have any query related to defense, do let us know on defenseinfo2020@gmail.com, and please subscribe our Telegram channel Defense Info 2020 for latest updates. Friends, today I bring you the information regarding the SSB interview, and this is a complete information regarding the PPDT, OAR, GD, LT, TAT, IO questions and all the data which I have collected. And this batch is for the NCC Special Entry 50th course, and it was held at Selection Center East Allahabad at 34 Service Selection Board from 10th of September to 14th of September 2021, and the batch number is RSTL 46622. Now, talking about, friends, the preface, we will be discussing in this video the number of candidate reported, basic details of reported candidate, OIR level booklet, questions related to OIR, PPT pictures, group formation, sample story, and all the detailed information related to screening, IO questions, GD, LT, recommendation, as well as we will be discussing about a strong initiative taken by SSB Success. And henceforth, friends, let us begin. So, at 34 Service Selection Board Allahabad on that specific day, reported were 153, out of which 95 were freshers, 38 were screen out candidates, and only 20 repeaters reported on that specific day. Now, talking about, friends, the freshers, the chess number allotted was 1 to 95, and for screen out it was 96 to 133, and chess number 134 to 153 were freshers. And in the batch of repeaters, friends, one previously recommended candidate was there, and altogether there were three students from Sainik School, one RMS Bangalore alumni, and around 40 to 50 candidates got document out, friends. So it is important that you bring your RT-PCR report. Along with that, you should bring all the documents which is given as per the call up letter. Now, talking about the OIR which was given over there was booklet number 54 and 74 by the DIPR, and the level is easy to moderate, friends. So 50 questions each, and 35 minutes were provided for the 54 booklet, and 32 minutes were for the 74 booklet. And the OMR sheet was provided, and this OMR, where you will be given certain bubbles there, and you have to fill the bubble with your black pen or your blue pen. Talking about the 54 booklet, this type of question which has came, like the number of figure which will be coming next. So, friends, by this you can calculate which number series which will come. And talking about similar, the next question is next in the series, so you have to determine which will come next in the series. So first question here you can easily get, it will be 3, and in the second question it is the 5. Now, talking about the OIR number 74 booklet, so similar question which will figure will come into next in the series. So thereby you have to determine by seeing the figure and next figure what will be the result, friends. So similarly this exact questions has came. Now, talking about the PPT picture which was shown over there, it was a scene of rescuing people from disaster happen, and can be a landslide or earthquake, etc. And friends, there were many number of characters over there, where you have to perceive one single character as a lead, and thereby you have to follow up the detail of the story, what type of action you did to overcome the particular situation. Now, talking about PPTT group formation, so there were 95 freshers, so 19 into 5, 19 each was there of 5 groups for fresher, and there were 2 group for screen out candidate of 19 each, and there were 1 group of 20 made for repeater candidate. So you can get the calculation: 19 into 5, 19 into 2, and 20 into 1. So now, talking about the sample story written by one of the candidate. So action was rescuing people from fire book out. So Srinivas was executive security in charge of a private firm. He was informed by a security man related to fire book out in the upper part of the building. He switched on the emergency button and aware all the employees. He immediately sent a team to douse the fire and pull out the employees safely. With his small team, he cleared the emergency gate using equipments and switch off the main plug. He called an ambulance and fire brigade for support. He and his team evacuated transported all the people safely, gave first aid to injured people, and departed them to hospital by ambulance. With help of fire brigade, building was safe, and he thanked his team for collective support and happy all being safe. So this was written by a candidate. So friends, tips for getting screen in this particular NCC direct entries. So please have a good performance in your OIR. OIR is very important. If you're having OIR ranking 1, you have very good chance if you perform well in the PPDT. So now PPDT, first is your observation. Observation should be clear cut and there should be a good observation as per the picture. Narration should be short, crisp and to the point. And talking about the body language should be good. If there is an impulsive nature, he may get screen out. Okay, so confidence level is important when you are narrating the story. Be confident and to the point, keep it all simple. Now, talking about GD topic, have a healthy discussion in the GD. Bring constructive point in order to form a common story and try to come up with a common consensus along with the group members. Now, talking about the 34 SSB Allahabad, the screening. So 29 got screening in this batch. So out of 95, 15 freshers got screen in, and out of 38, 5 screen out candidate got screen in, and 9 repeaters out of 20 got screen in. So friends, in the case of repeater, you find a good number of repeaters. Around 45% of the repeaters who report out of 100 who reported were got screen in. So chess number 1 to 10 was from group 1, chess number 11 to 20 was group 2, and chess number 21 to 29 group 3. So group 3 was considered of all repeaters candidate, where the group 1 and 2 were freshen and screen out. Now talking about this group collection, friends, the group is generally when you are doing or executing any group task like GTO, where your group have to perform all together in your GD, GP, PGT as well as HGT or GOR and all the group obstacle tasks. Now talking about batch photograph, you can see clearly on the batch 29 got screen in, and this is the second batch which reported at Allahabad. First batch was in 19 SSB where 30 got screen in, and similarly in the second batch 10 September this 29 got screen in. Now talking about interview questions, friends. So interview was held from day 2 to day 4, and in the day 2 itself, it was around most of them, around 12 people got their interview, and in the second day similarly around 14 got their interview, and in the day 3 only 3 was left and they got their interview done. Now all the question was related with CIQ, family and family based question, close friends, hobbies, utilization of salary, spare time activities, how you spend time online and TV channels you watch. Military question related to your choice of armed service, motto. Of course, if you're deciding any regiment, you have to know the motto as well, the history of the particular regiment, and reason why you want to join the armed forces, as well as reason why you wanted to join that specific regiment, and where you will get trained and period of training they are asking. And also, you know that, friends, OTA Chennai, generally the SSC candidates get train. So other than that, there is one more OTA, even that also been asked by the interviewing officer. Now talking about the types of tank Indian Army uses, their specification and differences. Whoever have told about the armored core. So friends, Indian Army armored core, there have been so many questions they has asked. Even to the candidate who haven't said about this, still the question was asked. Calculation questions were asked related to speed, distance, time, and how many liter you require to fill the interview room, and the longest pipe you can fit inside the interview room. This maths based question were asked even to those candidate who said that my weaknesses is mathematics. So every like maths question was compulsory, was asked to each and every candidate. Indian state touching Bangladesh border, Nepal, Myanmar border, festival and dispute in the northeast, South China Sea issue, how to go London through seaways from India if you get a free ticket. So this type of question were asked. So you should know about the ports as well as India, how many ports they have. Like in Gujarat, there is a Kangla port. Even in the Mumbai port is there, Kochi port is there. You should know about this. And even they are asking which particular place is belong to which particular state. Okay, just like Kochi, the question has been asked, Kochi is belong to which state? So it is in the Kerala, as you all know, friends. And including there is a northeast, all the capitals related to northeast Okay, states and capital they were asking. So friends, these are the basic question there that was asked, and so much grilled has been done. And now talking about tag pictures, friends. So first 1 to 6 I will be beginning. So storm in ocean or sea, boat stuck there, and one man sitting on it. So it is generally the stat was given to check problem solving ability. If you are in a particular problem, how you are executing out from the problem. Now two-person on the tree discussing something or enjoying. Okay, and desert scene, a man walking away towards the oasis and cannon kept in front of the scene. So this picture bit different, because generally you will find this type of picture is very common, but generally a man is front of the cannon, but he is generally walking away from the cannon. Okay, footprints were also there, and two-person on one is sitting on chair and other standing holding others person shoulder on chair. So one person was in the sitting and the other person was back, he was holding the chair, and the mood of that particular person who was in the chair was like sad and disappointed, or he got some kind of failures. Now library scene, a person reading a book or manual. So maybe he is preparing for a particular examination, or maybe a caretaker, or maybe he was doing some research, etc. So a man practicing running wearing sports wear. So a particular person who was running and wearing sportswear. Now talking about tag picture 7 to 12, a woman looking at the photo frame of Martyr, her husband, and a boy playing with a toy tank. Very common picture. Same picture was being there. And now talking about school scene, a person near the gate. So a person was near the gate of the school, and he was looking at the gate or the school board itself. So maybe he wanted to do some maintenance, or maybe the teacher, he was a teacher of the student, or maybe in the avid situation of COVID, okay, many are not coming to the school, or maybe he's deciding to conduct a online classes, anything based on the perception. So a man just come out of the train greeted by a family member. Basic story where a particular person is coming out and he was greeted by a family member. Thereby you can organize your own way of story. A man walking alone on the bridge. So it was a type of neutral picture. Just he was walking alone and mountains were there in the backside. Three persons standing, one facing left, one front, and other right. Neutral picture, confusing picture, but here you have to write a relevant story. Now 12 picture, as you know, it was a blank picture, so where you have to write a story of your own based on your perception. Now talking about word association test. So very similar picture of like words which were shown, like fearless, delay, need, workship, crook, last, move, expectation, cry, and difficulty. So these were some VAT, and follow up that VAT responses you can see, friends, in the screen. Brave, take fearless decisions, systematic plans, avoid failure, planning needs critical thinking, soldier, obey duty with workship, moral values, removed crookedness in behavior, relationship based on trust, last forever, strategic move helps to win, objective preparation, practice removes expectation, war cry motivates the troop, perseverance cracks difficulty, light diminish darkness. So this is a sample VAT response by a candidate. So of course, when you're writing a VAT, that should be observational, not a factual, not a negative, but a solution oriented sentence. Now talking about situation reaction test, you can see he was in the final year of his examination, and his exam were nearby, and but his father wants him to get in business, so he will dash dash dash. So he will convince, and he will tell about the importance of examination, and you can utilize the same knowledge in his business as well later on. He wants to get married with his girlfriend, but his father was not happy with his relationship. What he will do, he will convince his father, tell about the importance of their relationship, compatibility, and arrange a meeting and discuss, then set up the marriage. He failed to clear the exam consecutively. What he will do, he will check again his mistakes, ठीक है, work on their mistakes, read everything, ठीक है, and after that he will get to the examination and clear it this time. So this type of situation reaction was asked. Now talking about group discussion, the topic number one, which was accountability for instability in the world may rise due to illegal weapon, refugees, and water crisis. So this was very important topic regarding related to our latest affair which is going around the world. Second topic was the social topic. So GD number 2 was accountability for violence against women is rise due to. So it is due to road rage, domestic violence, or mob lynching. Now talking about lecturate, so cloning, e-governance, child abuse, Hollywood versus Bollywood, US India relationship, polythems are boon or bane, FDI, that is foreign direct investment, rural development, PSU, public sector unit, and my father, my ideal. So these were some lecture topic which was asked over there. Now talking about recommendation, friend, two repeaters got recommended in this batch, and there was no previously recommended candidate who got recommended, so it was from the group 3 itself. So in the repeaters batch, two got recommended. Now talking about initiative for the SSB success, so from SSB success they have launched a very good initiative. There is a monthly subscription for every guys who are preparing for the defense, who are aspirants, and you will be guided by the serving army officers, and there will be a PPT, TAT, VAT, SRT, SD sessions, unlimited reviews, and you will get doubt clearance session on Zoom with serving officer once in a week, mock interview twice, and individual doubt clearance. And please, friends, come and join in this success team to ace up your preparation with serving army officer. And if you wanted to avail this total package, you can go to SSB success. Here in the detail of the course is there in the description. SSB success 3595, you just go there and subscribe the channel, and thereafter if you want interview, you can also avail for the interview if you want the full course. But I will also tell you to go for the full course, that will give you complete package. And for contact admission in the telegram group itself, you can have the ID mpal 3595 or r mehta 777. Okay, so friends, now talking about the other things, friends, I will be let you know all the information from all the boards. And if you like this video, do share among your friends and subscribe this channel for latest information. And please join our telegram group Defense Info 2020. And if you have any query, do let us know on email defenseinfo2020 @gmail.com. So friends, meet you very soon with a new video.